The Chevrolet pickup truck, one of the first work trucks, was first produced in 1916. Chevrolet pickup, an early work truck that became the starting point for the automobile industry, 1927. Chevrolet Master Truck Series pickup, 1935. Chevrolet Master Truck Series pickup, 1937. Chevrolet AK Series pickup, 1942. Chevrolet pickup Advanced Design 3100, 1947. Chevrolet pickup Advanced Design 3100, 1954. Chevrolet 3100 pickup 1955. Chevrolet 3100 pickup 1959. Chevrolet pickup CK Series 1st Gen 1960 to 1966. Chevrolet pickup CK Series 2nd Generation 1967 to 1972. Chevrolet pickup CK Series 3rd Gen 1973 to 1980. Chevrolet pickup CK Series 3rd Gen 1981 to 1991. Chevrolet pickup CK Series 4th Gen 1988 to 2002. Chevrolet pickup Silverado 1st Generation 1999 to 2006. Chevrolet pickup Silverado 2nd Generation 2007 to 2013. Chevrolet pickup Silverado 3rd Generation 2014 to 2018. Chevrolet pickup Silverado 4th Generation 2019 present. Chevrolet pickup Silverado EV 2024 present.